Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 cycling shoes. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected MTB mountain biking cycling shoes. Specifications: brand name, Sandugo. Gender, men. Insole material, EVA. Upper material, mesh, air mesh. Department name, adult. Athletic shoe type, cycling shoes. Lining material, synthetic. Outsole material, rubber. Closure type, hook and loop. Model number, SDG 2007 or. The item number 2 is SHIMANO SH-RC300. Specifications: brand name, Shimano. Gender, men. Insole material, PVC. Upper material, leather. Department name, adult. Athletic shoe type, cycling shoes. Lining material, PU. Outsole material, TPR. Closure type, elastic band. Model number, RC300. Weight, about 243 grams. Lock type, SBDSL. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, new listing cycling shoes. Specifications: brand name, Li Shun Ning. Insole material, EVA. Department name, adult. Feature, height increasing. Lining material, stretch and spandex. Closure type, zip. Sole material, rubber, nylon, PVC. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.